Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your Paycom employee account. In order to do so, open up any web browser of your choice. After that, on the search box, type in or paste in the link that is paycom.com. After you type in the link, you'll be taken to the official site, and this is how it's gonna look like. So in the top right corner, you'll be able to see login button. Just click on it. As soon as you click on the login button, you'll be able to see three different options. So either you want to log in as a client, employee, or accountant, so you need to select it accordingly. Since the video is based on how to log in into employee account of Paycom, so click on employee, and likewise you'll be taken to the sign up or login interface. In order to log in into your Paycom account, you need to make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. So right in center, you'll be able to see a blank space where you need to provide in your login details. That includes username, password, and a last four digit of your social security number. So quickly enter in all of these information. And once you're done entering your information, click on the login button, which is right at the bottom. And as soon as you tap on login button, if the provided information is correct, then you'll successfully log in into your account. But then if you have provided an invalid information, then you'll be asked to recheck in the information provided. Now, despite of trying for several times, if you're still unable to log in into your account, then you can simply reset your login credential just by tapping on forgot username or password in the bottom left corner of your screen. As soon as you do this, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to reset or recreate a new one. Recreate a new login information, then you can log in with your newly created login information. In this way, you can log in into your Paycom employee account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.